Hi everyone, welcome back to Civil Learning Library channel. In this presentation, we are going to see about the meaning for the name of structural steel grades. As per Eurocode and as per British code, generally these three grades are normally using S275, S355 and S460. Here the prefix S always stands for steel or structural steel, and the numerical value 275 represents the yield strength value of for the particular grade. If the numerical value is 275, then the yield strength for the particular plate or the member is 275 Newton per mm square. For 355 grade, yield strength value is 355 Newton per mm square. For 460, the yield strength value is 460 Newton per mm square. Also, we need to be reduced this particular yield strength value based on the plate thickness. Next, yield strength reduction value. Example for S275 grade. For the plate thickness 1 mm to 16 mm, no need for the yield strength reduction. We can use 275 Newton per mm square for design. For the plate thickness 17 mm to 40 mm, we have to reduce 10 Newton per mm square, and the design value is 265 Newton per mm square. For the plate thickness 41 to 63 mm, the reduction is 20 Newton per mm square. We have to use 255 for the design purpose. For the plate 64 to 80 mm thick, the reduction value is 30 Newton per mm square. We have to use 245 Newton per mm square for design. For the plate thick 81 to 100 mm, the reduction value is 40, and for the design value is 235 Newton per mm square. For 101 to 150 mm, we have to reduce 50 Newton per mm square, and for design purpose, we have to use 225 Newton per mm square. The suffix Jr, Jo and J2 always stands for the Charpy test temperature value. The Charpy impact test, also known as the Charpy V-notch test. The test consists of breaking the test piece by one blow from a controlled weight swinging pendulum. It swings from a certain height as per the codal standard. The impact test always helps to measure the amount of energy absorbed by the particular specimen during fracture. Next, we are going to see the temperature value for the particular grades. For JR grade, Charpy test temperature value is 20 degrees Celsius. For JO grade, Charpy test temperature value is 0 degrees Celsius. For J2 grade, Charpy test temperature value is 20 degrees Celsius. Also, we have to note that for these three grades, minimum Charpy test value should be 27 Joule. For example, if we are taking JR grade specimen and we are testing Charpy test at the temperature range of plus 20 degrees Celsius, then the minimum Charpy test value should be 27 Joule. Generally, JR grade is normally available in market, but JO is rarely available, and the price of the JO is slightly higher than JO, and J2 material price is slightly higher than the JO. So based on the requirement, project specification and the structure location, we have to carefully choose this suffix JR, JO or J2. Code EN 10045 Part 1 gives the procedures for the Charpy test method. The metal can be identified as being either brittle or ductile from the Charpy test. Energy absorption capacity for brittle material is low, but ductile material absorbs more amount of energy. The appearance of a tested material gives about the idea of material type. If the fractured surface is bright and crystalline, then it can be in brittle category, and if the fractured surface is dull and fibrous, then it can be fall in ductile category. This is the image representation for the standard Charpy V-notch test specimen. The standard Charpy V-notch specimen is 55 mm long, 10 mm square, and has a 2 mm 45-degree deep notch with a tip radius of 0.25 mm, and it is machined on one face. Thank you for watching the presentation. Please support us for more videos.